Hello friends, welcome to RV Base Camp. Hey, I want to show you how I take my regular commuter Dodge van and turn it into a camper. So this van is a 2006 Dodge Caravan, pretty stocked as they come. Standard Caravan 06. Let's open her up and I'll show you what it looks like. I bought it used a few years ago. Got two captain chairs, it's got the bench seat, and it's the first year where it has a stow-go in the back where these seats fold down into the ground. First thing you gotta do is fold the seats and take this seat out, which is just a matter of a lever and it pulls up. It's really easy. I'll show you the back. These just slide down, fold, and come down. But I use it as a regular commuter, and then I also use it for gear, like band gear. So a lot of times it's folded down, or if I'm carrying lumber or whatnot. And what I wanted to do is to have something simple and easy to turn into a camper, and then within 20 minutes I can turn it back into stock van. And I'm going to show you how I do that in 1, 2, 3. So I'm all set up, ready to go. Let's give you a tour. Here's your driver's side. Custom bed. Blackout curtains. And speaking of curtains, this is all PCP pipe. That's all that is, with these little connectors. Custom fit. I cut it with a handsaw. The bed is 6.5 feet long. It's regular plywood by 2x4s and L bracket. Pretty simple. Had to do a little bit of leveling because the van floor is obviously not even. Back here's the kitchen. I found this here at a yard sale for 10 bucks. And it was kind of an ugly white. So I painted it gray to go with the interior, which also matched my DC refrigerator, Coleman. And of course I have a Coleman grill. This is the only thing I added to the shelf besides painting it. I added drawers, or a drawer, so it pops out like that. Propane on this side, and then I can grill outside. Doesn't heat up the van. Works out really good. Put my utensils. There's my track lighting I'll put up later. More storage. Down here I'll just do some pots and pans, and I'll put my water here with a spigot. Of course, my Coleman cooler. It's a little bigger than what I really need, but it works fairly well. And obviously it's plugged into DC over in the corner, which I'll show you in a minute. DC power right here. My refrigerator plugs right into this DC power. And what's nice about the van is it only works when it's running, so it doesn't drain the battery. Got the fan on top, so it's getting plenty of ventilation. Just a standard cooler. Works pretty good. Coming over on this side, passenger side, again, blackout curtains. And again, guys, I found these at a yard sale. I think I paid $10 for them. And then these I already had. And then again, there's the tracking. PC pipe goes all the way around and it hooks up to these little connectors right here. Easy. I think I have $10 into that as well. And the bed, I already had the bedding. I already had memory foam for my futon, and I just put it on here. It's about 4 inches. It'd be nice to have about 6 inches, but I'm out more than I'm in the van. And again, it's just plywood, 2x4s with L bracket support. And what's great about this design is I just wanted a single bed, but it was really important that I was able to keep one of my stowaway benches up, because both of them obviously go down. It's so nice that it's a split, so one can go down, I can lay a bed out, and of course have my kitchen in the back. And speaking of stowaway, I got more room here. These pop out. I can put belongings in there, personal belongings. And my 2 folding chairs fit in there. And it opens on both sides. And then for power, here's my power bank. It's a Schumacher. I've had this for a couple years. And it's a charger if you want to charge your battery. It's AC power. And DC, 12 volt on that side. USB port. I can also plug my fan. I have a clip fan that I plug in here. But I swear by this, Schumacher makes a really nice power bank charger all in one. I'll have descriptions on the bottom where you can get one of these. Highly recommend it. Also, it charges from the DC plug-in, which right here. Have a Bestec inverter or I can plug things and charge things up here. Plugs into a DC 12 volt outlet, and then I have a cable coming out of, extension cable coming out here, running into the back of the Schumacher. And then I just plug it in right here, and it charges the battery going down the road. But also, don't want to forget this. Everybody wants to know, how do you go to the bathroom, right? Well, the little 5-gallon bucket. Got a little handle here for toilet paper. It just pops up, and there's your bag. You can put sawdust in there, however you want to do it. I usually get rid of it right away, or soon. And then for the smell, seals very nicely. That's another reason why I had to make the bed a little higher than what I wanted it, so I can make storage. And I also have a place for storage here, clothes, just a crate that goes along with me. So hey, pretty comfortable, pretty relaxing, especially with fall. Something you can do with very little money. Like I said, with electronics and the build, under $200. A lot of stuff you can find at yard sales. You know, if you're not in a big hurry, you can find this stuff. Gonna do some more trips with this. I'm still gonna use my road truck, my camper van, but it's nice to have something that gets a little more gas mileage. And again, I did this too, so it could be portable. So I literally can get this stuff out in 20 minutes. And I also did it to where I can put music equipment in here, and I'll show you how I do that in another video. But speaking of video, if you like this, give me a thumbs up, share it with friends. Hopefully it'll give them some ideas. And if you have any ideas, leave me some comments below. And subscribe. Meanwhile, catch y'all later.